At the state capitol, Governor Stitt announcing his first priority of the new term, protecting future generations. He is launching the newly formed Child Welfare Task Force, which will focus on the more than 6,600 Oklahoma children currently in DHS custody. News 9's Tevis Hillis with the story.
Well, the goal of this task force is to study, evaluate, and make recommendations that will directly impact Oklahoma children through policy, programs, and new laws.
Oklahoma.
Governor Stitt saying it's vital to focus on the younger generation. The newly formed Child Welfare Task Force will be made up of a 12-team crew overseeing Oklahoma's foster care system. Among their priorities, reducing the time kids spend in foster care, along with the number of foster homes they'll go to. The team will also identify risk factors to cut down on the number of kids going to foster care in the first place. 40 years ago, the Oklahoma Institute for Child Advocacy was created after an investigative report exposed the abuse and cruelty that Oklahoma children were experiencing while in the state's custody. So the CEO of the institute,
hopefully, are going to happen.
Joe Dorman, is pleased with the governor's actions.
Looking at the appointments, the background of each of the individuals that will be appointed, the mission, especially for the task force. Hopefully this will generate some good ideas for the legislature to implement.
Right now in the state, there are 6,690 children in custody. 481 children do not have a home, and the Oklahoma Human Services reports they need 766 families.
A lot of these families struggle because of poverty, working multiple jobs, drug abuse in certain situations, mental health is a factor. It's going to be a wide variety of what this task force should look at.
And Dorman further adds that he hopes the task force focuses on parents, as it is especially difficult to learn how to be a parent a child needs. At the state capitol this evening, Tevis Hillis, Oklahoma's own News 9.